Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty and today we'll be reviewing the Gold Collection brought to you by Brow Daddy in collaboration with market leaders Perma Blend. This pigment set includes 10 luxurious pigment shades to suit a diverse range of hair colours and skin tones. So let's take a closer look. This collection has been designed by world-renowned PMU artist Brow Daddy, who has used his wealth of knowledge and expertise to create the ultimate luxurious experience for technicians. This set includes a range of warm and neutral tone shades, ranging from blonde to black, with an ultra-rich formulation. These brow colours have been created with a super high pigment load to ensure excellent colour payoff and high retention of between 80 and 100%. The tones of the pigments are much more neutral than other collections, allowing them to suit a wider range of clients. Shades include Tokyo Black, Bronzite, Berry Blonde, Golden Goddess, Dark Teddy, Truffle Dream, Honey Magic, Chocolade, Iced Caramel and Bruges. Shades can be mixed to achieve the perfect colour match for your clients, and modifiers can be added where required. Some of the more vibrant blonde and brunette shades in the collection may not be a perfect fit for every client, but the neutral shades within the set are much more versatile. This collaboration combines the world-famous quality of Perma Blend products with the glamour and elegance of Brow Daddy and his work. The Gold Collection has been designed to empower PMU artists to create beautiful brows on every client, and to provide a completely new, unique experience in micropigmentation. If you want to try out the Gold Collection, there is a link in the description below to order now. Or if you have tried this exciting collaboration, please let us know what you think in the comments below. As always, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.